Wag niyo atakin yan. Hold. Hayaan nyo. Hold. Let him in, ha? Let him in and we soak pag nag-engage, okay?
Adjust ka sa southeast.
Yeah. Si Sir, ano lang, yung naka-group. Sir Sex, hold mo yung southeast ko. Pero wag ka lalabas ha, hold ka lang. Hold. QW to. QW ka lang. QW. Hold. Let them engage muna and then we soak, okay? Let them engage. Hold.
Pengil.
Hold. Nice. Hold on. North. Hold. Demons. Hold your E. Hold.
Hindi nakapasok yung west. Clear yung west mo.
5. Hold. West. 4, 3, 2, huge boys. Please give damage. West. Nice. And then come back north and hold. Come back north and hold. Okay, hold. Stabilize lang. Wala matataranta. Pa-potion. We're fine. Hold, wag yun nabulin. We're fine. Hold. 10 seconds to engage again. Heal lang. Hold. Boys, don't drop your E randomly. Engage. Isa lang. Hold. Yeah. Hold pa. Drop lang ng W. Hold. Heal. QW. Hold. Isa pa. Sersex, hawakan mo nang mabuti yan, Sersex. Wag ka magda-drop ng E tsaka ano. Hold.
Heal boss ka po.
Eh, na-heal nyo ako.
Heal nyo. Front.
Bobo ng mga healer na to.
Pahil mo. Gabo. Heal pa Gabo. Pahil pa si Gabo. Boss Gabo, medyo atras ka lang muna. Sige, hold. Pahil ka lang.
Bibitawan to.
Yeah. Hold.
Engaging now.
No. It's a peg. Demons.
Slap that west.
Counter engage west. Come on, walk west. Southwest. Only on the ground in 5.
Akin is.
On the ground, boys. It's huge. Big damage. West. Nice. And then hold again. Walang lalabas. QW lang. Don't loot muna. Hold. We're fine. QW. Hold. QW lang. If you need heal, go north.
Relax.
If you need heal, go north. Okay? Hold. 8 seconds. Hold na. Engage tayo. Ball. Engage tayo. In 3, on the count. 2, in the middle. 1 in the middle, boys. In the middle. It's huge, boys. In the middle. Nice. Nice. Now, bro. Easy. Brawlies, boys. Come southeast. Brawl southeast, boys. Brawl southeast. Don't loot muna. Split natin yan mamaya. Ang daming papatayin. Please. I need discipline. Respect, okay? Come, walk. There, running na sila. See? If you listen, we win. Hello, pumasok. Keep going. Chase them, boys. Chase them. Chase. Nice.